So today we will be discussing the case note with about Jacob McCarthy. So you can take time to read. Once it is done, please let me know.
Continue.
Okay. From here, what all we can take? We can select medical surgical unit. Discharge date is important, and the diagnosis it's below right below knee amputation DKA. So the short form has been given over here, and it's a diabetic ulcer case. Okay, because of diabetes, knee amputation happened, and in the past medical history they have given so many details. Ideally, you don't have to write entire paragraph with only past medical history. You can selectively take few points. Because this has diabetic ulcer, you can go for type 2 diabetes or something which you feel comfortable with. And
Okay.
later vascular disease has been mentioned. Vascular surgeon we have to mention in the next question paper. You can see the follow up. So you can take few points from here, and later we will be reading the last portion, and you can read. All right.
Okay.
So this is a transfer letter. So we have already studied several transfer letter, and it's at the skilled care facility. So address has been given over here. That's it. Okay, we discussed this also. Now we will be looking at the discharge plan. Take time to read. Are you able to identify some points are actually repeating? I told you to keep an eye on repeated points. Are you able to figure out what is repeated?
Okay. Physiotherapy.
Yes, physiotherapy. Okay, physiotherapy is a repeated point. Antibiotics, continue antibiotic, continue particular drugs could be repeated point. Pain medication,
Okay.
okay. Here it is like can reassess a later for stability with home nursing versus long term care. They can go for either long care or for home nursing. So that's what they are mentioning over here. Then surgeon, vascular is won't be there. Meet surgeon, follow up done by surgeon. Surgeon is said repeated. Physiotherapy is a repeated. Here the specialty
Okay.
is that off note. Something off note means something particular, something important. Okay, so in that
Okay.
case it's important. They have noted mentioned like important. In that case, wife wanted discharge to home in her care. So wife want the discharge, but it's like others are not agreeing to this. So physiotherapy and occupational therapy assessment indicate that this would not be a safe discharge. So what's important over here is that physiotherapy and occupational therapists they are telling like that they won't allow it's a not a safe discharge, but other wife only want the discharge to her care. So that is something different, something unique over here, and you can identify. Please read the assessment and also identify what point could be repeated.
Pain under control and further infection is noticed. So no need to write the antibiotic and pain medication, right?
Okay, good progress. I told you this could be repeated, right? Good progress, and I thought you he's making good progress or he's progressing well. Good two sentence for that I have given. Here the specialties now the blood culture is negative. ADLS, assistance for showering, bathing, grooming. ADLS, activities of daily living. So that could be repeated. So understand there are several points which could be repeated. So much tension if you are able to, if you are reading several letters you will get an idea on that. Now this is with the admission, on admission. Okay, done. So it's like a long history of non-compliance. So this is something unique over here. It's not ineffective. This diabetic medication is ineffective. So the patient has been admitted for food wound at least 2 weeks. Did not notice injury. The result in he didn't notice the injury. It's resulted in diabetic neuropathy. There are some signs, obvious signs: gangrene, pus, abscess. So weight bearing. I told you repeated point. So it's like a social background. This is need assistance with medical. So this is again the repeated point. So this is the second part. So let's read the third part. So we have read everything, full question, entire question we have read.
Okay. Okay.
Actually some point is missed out, I guess so. 1 second. Here actually some points are frequent turning. So this is a diabetic patient, that's why frequent turning has been done to avoid decubitus ulcer. Okay, that's one point over here which I missed. So it's okay with that, no problem. So we will be reading answers now. This is one of the answer. Take time to read. Please read the first paragraph. Once it is done, let me know. All right.
Oh, fine.
Okay, 1 second.
Finish.
So this is another way. So in I will actually go for something combined. See, this is like starting. Why you are writing? I am writing to refer back into your care who is being discharged today after right knee amputation, and after that I will be going. He was admitted on this for. Then I will write this first line. Okay, did you understand? This is actually easy. Second letter, comparatively the second letter. Let me close this. Close other files. Okay, so this is one. First line you can take from here. See, you are supposed to make, and you should have your own style. But the first line from this is better, I guess so. And then comes the McCarthy was admitted on which date and what is the reason for admission. Also, From here we can write this paragraph we can include in the second paragraph, and you don't have to really, you don't have to mention everything, no problem even if you mention everything. So it's like this, past medical history. So in the first paragraph we are mainly focusing on writing, why we are writing and what is the purpose, why the patient has been admitted and what is the purpose. Over, we can change this to the second paragraph. So, and take time to read this second paragraph. Okay, in this question they are telling, they are already discussing vascular surgeon, a surgeon. Most cases it will be a surgeon. A surgeon was consulted. Who recommended? Is this surgeon recommended? Who recommended? Who is good vocabulary? Who recommended? A right below the knee amputation, which was performed without any complication. Which was performed. Perform word we can use for exercise, surgery, daily activity, perform daily activities, because these 3 points will be repeating, and in that line if you are adding perform it will look much more nice. Without complication, following surgery. So some students will write after surgery, better than that following surgery, or you can write consequently, subsequently, like that also the synonyms are like that. Mr. McCaffrey was placed on IV antibiotics. So it's like IV, placed on IV antibiotics, IV fluids, antibiotics and pain medications. There are several pain medication which have been successfully transitioned to oral administration. It's oral medicine, oral drugs. His wound is healing well. His wound is progressing well. Okay, so it's healing. Healing is better word. His wound is healing well. And repeat blood cultures, that's why are negative. So when they talk several times, that blood culture became negative. Repeat blood cultures are negative. So let's read. This is a different way. You can take time to read. Different people write differently. That's the reason. Here, McCarthy came with a 2-week history, 2 hyphenated history of fever and chills associated with non-weight bearing, with no lifting, weight bearing, common point. His systematic examination revealed signs of diabetic neuropathy. So it shows in the arrow, it was showing like one arrow and diabetic neuropathy, showed signs of diabetic. So next time it result in something. How to write? Showed signs of arrow. That arrow we changed to signs of diabetic neuropathy, which was supposed to be associated with his long term. There is a long term non-adherence. So he never had diabetic medications properly, improper, ineffective. That's the reason, non-adherence to diabetic medication, or the diabetic medication was ineffective. Hence, therefore, thus, after positive blood culture, he was planned for a right knee, below knee amputation. So, next, read the next sentence. Take time to read. Okay. Mr. McCaffrey is now stable for discharge to your facility. It's discharged to your facility, not to anywhere else, not to his wife's custody, to your facility. He will continue to need. So now also he need, and further in the future also need. He will continue, like that they wrote. He will continue to need assistance for ADLS. So here the ADLS is common, but it's like in the future ADLS they will be talking at the discharge time. Now the ADLS has been already provided. He will continue. So it's like continuation is there. To need assistance for ADLS and a wheelchair. For why? For why means for mobility. So like that you can explain. Crutches for mobility. Wheelchair for mobility. Crutches or wheelchair is common. His surgical site should be assessed. Should be assessed. Spelling of assessed for infection with daily dressing changes of dressing, daily wound and all daily dressing changes. He should also receive frequent turning to prevent pressure ulcers. To prevent pressure ulcers. It's wrote in a different way. Subsequently, after surgery, consequently, he underwent surgery successfully and was given antibiotics, opioids post-operatively. After surgery, post-operatively. How they wrote without any hyphen. Due to his limited mobility, because of that, due to his limited reason they explained first. Due to his limited mobility, he required assistance for his daily activities. Okay, there they were talking will continue that ADLS assistance and was provided. Otherwise, how to write? It's like here it's wheelchair for mobility. They again it's changed to was provided with a wheelchair to help in mobilizing. It's we used instead of for we used to help in mobilizing. So these are the different ways you can write. Now. Okay, this is like off not that important point. You can take time to read. Before that, just let me show you one more paragraph. His post-operative status has progressed good throughout, apart from severely reduced mobility after amputation. So progression is good. He has progressed good. Moreover, see moreover usage. There is no space over here. His follow-up, ideally one hyphen should be there. His follow-up blood cultures showed negative result. It shows negative result turned to showed negative result. Okay. Now you can take time to read this. Over, is it over? So here it's mentioned like off not. His wife wanted him to there be discharged back to home under her care. So here they want back to home under her care. So why but there is a semicolon. It's not a 2 dot also. It's not 1 dot 1 comma. Given reason again explained like this. Given his dementia, reasons are dementia, decreased mobility following the amputation. Because of amputation, there is decreased mobility and dementia. So that's why 1 comma over here. Physiotherapy and occupational therapy staff did not believe this was a safe discharge plan. So because of this physiotherapy and occupational therapy staff did not believe this was a safe discharge plan. That's the reason why the patient has not been given under the care of wife. Same thing. You can read like this. So here it's like different. There it was off not, please not, any way. You can go for the combination of both. His wife wants him back into her care. Okay, one sentence. But her physiotherapy and occupational staff or therapy assessment revealed that it has been decided that he needs to go into the care of skilled nursing facility and physiotherapy. So there is a difference how we wrote over here. See, which one you feel comfortable with, you can go for that. Did not believe this was a safe discharge plan, you can go, because Actually, why it's going there is, they have added extra line over here, because in the question paper, of not this first sentence and this second, immediately it is like a two sentence, two part. So to in between the two parts they had added like given his dementia and decreased mobility. So it's like they two points are together and they splitted some that sentence and they added one middle sentence, so that the sentence become little wise lengthy. So that's what they did instead of directly copying. So it's for each students it will be different. You can go for anything. After some time at your facility later or followed or at your facility, he may show sufficient improvement, educate sufficient improvement to return home, or a decision made for long term care placement. So either they can come home at your facility, they have to decide, not someone else. At your facility, you people like that, they have to decide what they are supposed to do. Okay, sufficient improvement is done or not, like that, and then decision has to be made for long term care placement. So it's like if you are writing long term together, you have to write together as a single word. If you are splitting that, there should be a hyphen in between. So
Okay.
this is your letter. So different students has different way of writing. So which one you are comfortable, that you can go with. Please wait.